What is up, YouTube? Dad with a bike, and we are off on a little riding adventure. We are no longer in the confines of Austin, and instead we are currently in the town of, is it Lampasas? Yeah. Anyway, stick around. I'll tell you where we're headed. Alright, so where are we going? Well, we're actually heading to a town kind of northwest of Austin. It's about, I don't know, 130 miles northwest of Austin, called San Saba. And in San Saba, there are a couple of really neat bridges. I like bridges. Actually, specifically, I like suspension bridges. And that's what they have there. They have the oldest operating suspension bridge in the state of Texas. So we are headed there, and we're going to walk around that area, take some pictures, and then hang out in the town. There's a local brew pub slash food place there that is supposed to be pretty excellent. They have a jalapeno beer on tap, which I will try. And so yeah, we will see you when we get there. Bye bye. Riding along 190 towards San Saba, and I ran across a pretty cool little bridge. Goes over the Colorado. There's the Colorado. Into the bridge. Into the Colorado. Alright, everybody. Welcome to San Saba. It is a quaint little West Texas town. There's here I know for sure, so we're going to go see two bridges. One is actually here in town, and the other one is just a little outside of town. So we're going to go hit the one that's outside of town first, because that bridge is the actual workable suspension bridge. The other one is a foot traffic only bridge, so we'll see that one last. And I think that is also, the foot traffic one is also near the restaurant slash pub that we're going to go check out. Anyway, it's a nifty old little, you know, Texas town. I really like these towns like this. You kind of get out to like this one. There's one like Giddings, when they kind of have the same, you know, architecture from, you know, 1800s and literally that was San Saba. So I'll pick this back up when we actually make it to the bridge. We'll see you in just a bit. Good God. What is up with me and finding like gravel, crappy roads? This bridge better be amazeballs. Oh, is it? Oh. Let's go take a look. Yeah, these suspension bridges are pretty badass. Old boy's coming across it. Man, you can smell the wood. Wow. Something else. Look at that. You can actually see fish swimming down there. Pretty awesome. Regency Bridge in San Saba. Pretty badass. Somebody's got some nice property out here. Anyway, I'm going to cut you guys off for now, because I'm going to pull the bike up here. I brought my nice camera. I'm going to come take some pictures. So I'll see you all in a bit.